What's going on, guys? It's Gabriel here from Cash Clicks, and in today's video we're going to be talking what happened today in the stock market in relation to the AMC stock and to put your mind at ease. But before we go anywhere, please make sure to hit the like button for the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out massively. But let's get into it. So as you all know, the market started off today and it just went down, and then it had a few recovery points, but then it went down again, and the market finished on $7.85, and we were 41.15% down for the day. And from the outside looking in, and if you're looking at it all day, it looked really bad. And to be honest, a lot of people are under pressure, and I imagine quite a few people sold if they didn't trust the stock. What I found today was that the AMC stock and the GME stock had uncanny similarities. It was like almost like a mirror image of both of the actual graphs here. As you can see, it took an upwards hit and then it went down, and the same with GME. So let's just change that here. Yeah, up and then down. It caused like an M shape, if you can see. And what I personally believe, I'm not a financial advisor, but from what my experience has shown me, this wasn't through people like panic selling or anything like that. This was definitely a coordinated short attack on our AMC stock. So if we go back onto the AMC stock, because it just for no reason starts plummeting down, and I think it is a short ladder attack. And for you that don't know what a short ladder attack is, I've wrote out a little definition. So a short ladder attack, put simply, a short ladder attack is when both sides of the buying and selling of stocks are played by traders in an attempt to devalue the stock in question, which our stock in this case is AMC. Short, the lowest stock price, manipulates the law of supply and demand by flooding the offer side with fake shares. Then this launches into what is known as short ladder attack. Think of it like this way: short A sells a false share at £20, short B then buys the share. Following on from this, short B will then offer a counterfeit short at £19. Short A will go for that offer, or short B will come down and hit its short at £19 bid. And then short A then buys the share of £19, covering its open £20 short and taking that one profit. This process repeats, putting the stock price into a downward spiral. Shorts can then begin to flood the market with an attack of false offers, overwhelming the demand on the buying side. And this is what we call market manipulation. So I can't get my words out. And then you can see that very clearly here. If we change to a candlestick thing, look, it goes up and then boom, and just hits down. And they're constantly outbidding each other here. And that's why it sends the stock spiraling out of control. And from you and my point of view as well, it looks really bad. But there's a lot more than sees to the eye here, guys, so I wouldn't overly worry about it. I was saying yesterday, yeah, if the stock starts going around $10, maybe look to sell, but that's for those people who are a bit more cautious with their money and they don't really have the will to risk all this capital, to be honest. And what I said that was because obviously they need to cover their shorts this week, and that would have been a great benchmark for us to really push on and smash the stock price right up. But hey, that's not happened today. I haven't sold my shares at all. We've closed the market on 785. It's not the end of the world. We've seen bigger spirals than this, downward spirals. So it's not the end of the world. And there's a few silver linings as well. I'm happy to say AMC is opening up in the States, so that's going to boost our revenue, guys. We're going to start seeing a lot more sales, and that's going to increase trading revenue and stuff like that. Like I say as well, you've still got the whole week of trading to cover the shorts. Like, they need to do it within this time frame. They can't continue to keep lending money because the interest rate's just going to skyrocket. there was still a lot of demand for people buying the stock. I think it was still around like 90 to 10%, so 90% buying and 10% selling. So the numbers don't really lie, if you get what I mean. There's still a lot of revenue and capital behind this stock. This here was definitely market manipulation and a short ladder attack, and I can tell you that for free. The numbers don't add up. It can't. I haven't seen a stock just plummet like this, and people aren't selling. So the numbers don't add up, if you get what I'm saying. So going forward into the week, if you're still here and you're holding, or you bought in the dips today, you've lowered your share price and things should look good. I definitely expect a squeeze to happen. It has to happen because the shorts still need to be covered and there's still capital behind the stock. It's not like all the capital's gone. If you see where it started from and where it is, that's increased capital, and that's good. Okay, we took a bit of a hit today, but it's one of those days. So going forward, for those people who are held, I wouldn't stress about too much about today. I can still see a squeeze happening, and all this like market tactics, that's just from hedge funds and stuff like that. That's not from people just panic selling. And with AMC opening today, I feel like that's a huge plus. It's getting AMC back into the news and stuff like that. People start going to the cinemas, and it's just going to boost our revenue. Even if we don't see this squeeze this week or the next, this stock's still going to go up in price. Once everything reopens, you're going to see the share price go up. There's no way that there's any point in selling your stock for a loss. There's no point, because I'm holding because I know I'll make profit on this. What's the point in selling for a loss? Like, if you don't need the money desperately, hold. You're going to make a lot of profit anyway. This stock price is not a true valuation of what AMC stock holding should be. So I thought I'd just share this video with you. Definitely a lot of market manipulation. AMC's opening again, so hold your horses and wait for the squeeze, because I do think it's going to happen. Thanks.